What's up everyone, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have a nice square root algebra problem and we are to find the value of x. So right here guys, in this video I'm going to share with you two methods that you can actually use to solve this nice square root algebra problem. So guys, let's get started with method 1. So the first thing guys we want to do right here is to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have this to be the square root of 13 multiply the square root of 13 multiply the square root of 13 is equal to 169 or raised to the power of x. So squaring both sides right here, this is going to cancel out this, so we have 13 multiply the root of 13 into the root of 13, and this is equals to 169, or with x multiplied 2 is 2x, and this is gotten from if we have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to the power of mn. Alright, so if we apply this, we got this right here. So at this point right here, we want to simply square both sides one more time. So we have this to be 13 multiply the root of 13 multiply the root of 13 is equal to 169 or raised to the power of 2x. So squaring both sides right here, this is going to be 13 raised to the power of 2 multiply the root of 13 into the root of 13 or raised to the power of 2 is equal to 169 or raised to the power of 2x or raised to the power of 2. So this is going to give us 13 raised to the power of 2 multiply, this is going to cancel out this, so we have 13 multiply the root of 13, which is equal to 169. 2x multiplied 2, we have this to be what? 4x. So we want to square both sides one more time. So squaring both sides one more time, we have this to be 13 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 2 multiply 13 raised to the power of 2 multiply the root of 13 or raised to the power of 2 is equal to 169 raised to the power of 4x multiplied 2. So we have here to be 13 raised to the power of 2 multiplied 2 is 4, multiply 13 raised to the power of 2, multiply, this is going to cancel out this, so we have this to be 13, which is equals to 169 raised to the power of 4x multiplied 2, we are going to have this to be what? 8x. So from the property of exponents, if we have a raised to the power of x multiply a raised to the power of y multiply a raised to the power of z, this is equal to a raised to the power of x plus y plus z. Alright, so we want to apply this property, and this is raised to the power of 1, right? So from here we have 13 raised to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to, now 169 can be expressed in terms of 13 as 13 raised to the power of 2, so we have this to be 13 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 8x. So we have 13 raised to the power of 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, which is equals to 13 raised to the power of 2 times 8x, we have this to be what? 16x. So we say from here, if a raised to the power of m is equal to a raised to the power of n, then we have that m is equal to n if a is not equal to -1, 0 or 1. Alright, so we have this right here. So from here we can say that 7 is equal to 16x. So divide both sides by 16 to isolate x. This is going to cancel out this, so we have that x is equal to 7 over 16, and this becomes the final answer. So right here guys, this is the method 1 in solving this nice algebra problem. So right here, let's move on to method 2. Alright, so the first thing guys you want to recall is that we know that the root of a is equal to a raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? So hence we have this to be the square root of 13 into the square root of 13 multiply, so this innermost root here is going to become 13 raised to the power of 1 over 2, which is equals to 169 or raised to the power of x. So we have this to be the square root of 13 into the square root of, now this is raised to the power of 1, and from the property of exponents, if we have a raised to the power of m multiply a raised to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to the power of n plus n. So applying this, we have this to be 13 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2, and this is equals to 169 or raised to the power of x. So we have this to be the square root of 13 into the square root of 13. The LCM there, we have it to be 2, this is over 1, 1 into 2, 2, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, which is equals to 169 or raised to the power of x. So we have this to be the square root of 13 into the square root of 13 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2, which is equals to 169, or raised to the power of x. So applying the same property that says that the root of a is equals to a raised to the power of 1 over 2, we have this to be the square root of 13 multiply 13 all raised to the power of 3 over 2 multiply 1 over 2, and this is equals to 169, or raised to the power of x. So we have this to be the square root of 13 multiply 13 raised to the power of 3 times 1 is 3, divide 2 times 2, we have this to be 4, which is equals to 169, or raised to the power of x. But we know that this is raised to the power of 1, and from the property of exponent, if we have a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of n plus n, right? So applying this, we have this to be the square root of 13 raised to the power of 1 plus 3 over 4 is equals to 169, or raised to the power of x. So from here, we have this to be the square root of 13, or the LCM for the power is 4, and this is over 1. So 1 into 4 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 4 divided 4, 1, 1 times 3 is 3, which is equals to 169, or raised to the power of x. But 169 can be expressed as 13 raised to the power of 2, so we have this to be the square root of 13 raised to the power of 4 plus 3 is 7 over 4. This is equal to 13 raised to the power of 2, or raised to the power of x, but we know that the square root of a is equals to a raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? So we have this to be 13 raised to the power of 7 over 4 multiply 1 over 2 is equals to 13 raised to the power of 2 times x. We have this to be 2x. So we have 13 raised to the power of 7 times 1 is 7, divide 4 times 2 is 8, which is equals to 13 raised to the power of what? 2x. And we know that if a raised to the power of m is equals to a raised to the power of n, then we have that m is equals to n. So we have 7 over 8 is equals to 2x. So cross multiply, we have this to be 2x multiply 8 is equals to 7. 2x multiply 8, we have this to be 16x is equals to 7. So divide both sides by 16 to isolate x. So this is going to cancel out this. We have that x is equal to 7 over 16. And this becomes the value of x. So right here, guys, these are the two methods that you can actually use to solve this 9 square roots math problem right here. So guys, we have that the value of x is equals to 7 over 16, and this becomes the final answer. So with this, guys, I'm going to see you in the next video, and if you are not yet subscribed to Mathematical Mindset, please do wait to click onto that subscribe button, and I'm going to see you in the next video.